I decided to go out, give it a go, but as we all know, nothing ever always goes to plan, and really, I suppose, as the saying goes, not every shot's going to be a banger. So you kind of look and think, especially when you're in lockdown, same kind of walk, same kind of thing. What are you doing? Well, for me, I try and practice. I try and look for little things that maybe help, maybe give something extra. Whatever it is, it's trying to do something that makes me feel as though I'm taking photographs, I'm thinking, and that is laying the foundation for future photography. In this instance, I'm doing a lot of zone focusing on this walk. I'm going to see what happens and enjoy the journey with me, or not, as the case may be, because it's not exactly the most riveting of journeys. Kept looking at the space here and thinking, obviously there's nobody there, it's locked down, but it's winter time as well. You look through this sort of fence mesh, look at the empty court, maybe there's something there. I came across some people just looked quite nicely framed with the crossing. As I was walking across, some more people sort of come into frame, and just gave it a go, just to see it's that sort of colour, the black and white, just to see what we could do. As we walked further up this street, missed an opportunity. There's a man on the corner having a cigarette. I thought, oh, that'd be a good shot, but again, sometimes you get embarrassed a little bit and you don't want to sort of say anything. But that's something I'm working on to try and be better at that. Again, just trying to look at how I can introduce sort of bits of colour. I like this, the yellow of the school sign on the road here. I'll try and incorporate that, just see what sort of comes of it. I think it's all this idea of practicing, trying to get those little bit of elements of colour, and that's what I'm looking at the moment, trying to get those bits of colour in that maybe give something to the picture. The picture itself might not be a huge sort of bucket of interest, but at the end of the day, there was something there. I'm going to give it a go, give it a shot. Like down this alleyway at the moment, just walking down here, just having a look, just seeing what it can take. To be honest, it may be that this would shoot better in black and white. Don't think I'd actually seen so many pigeons before. Just couldn't resist the temptation to take them before they all flew off. Don't know as much of a picture there, but it's just those sort of little bits of observation, just to see what we can find. And it's unusual. Whole lot of pigeons on a satellite dish. Again, zone focusing here. Kind of missed the shot I really wanted to take. There's a couple coming up here with really nice dachshunds. I thought, oh, I should get the shot. Probably should have turned around earlier, maybe taken the shot, but I did manage to get it. Zone focused, took the shot. It came out okay, but again, it's those moments, just trying to capture them really. Messed up on the zone focusing at this point. This guy on a skateboard took the shot, missed the opportunity, but it's all about practice. So, end of the video. It's just an average walk. But the thing is, for me, it's more about what probably most of us experience. We're not professionals, we don't live in tremendous locations, and I think it's trying to see things in a quite sort of a different way, trying to push what we're trying to do. But I think ultimately, I think if we can learn something, sometimes what not to do, and sometimes by doing that, it means that when those opportunities do arrive, we actually learn what to do and get it right. And I think that's what we can try and achieve. Certainly at the moment, things will get better. Lockdowns will finish. I think everything else will heal, and we will have those moments out in the sun again. So I'd like to say, because I haven't so far, wish you all the best for the rest of the year, wherever you are, and got more videos planned. I'm going to reveal more about what I've been up to equipment wise, and we'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves, and hey, get in touch, because I've really enjoyed some of the conversations I've been having with you, and I think that's part of the great thing about being a photographer. It's a good community. It's a good community. Take care.